My butt spends a lot of time in that seat. I am a content creator, so I spend a lot of time at my desk editing videos, editing voiceovers, editing photos, you name it. I'm sitting at a desk doing it. This chair is not the most expensive thing in the world. And it's not the fanciest chair in the world. But it's rather comfortable. It's well built. Took me like 5 seconds to put it together. Nice chair. It could have a little bit more cushion in the butt. Just a little bit more. If you don't spend as much time sitting as I do, it might not be an issue. But overall, I'm really happy with this chair. It's nice looking enough. Alright, enjoy.